What's up guys, it's Jonathan here. Welcome back to the channel. I did it again. I missed it. I missed the short squeeze. I was sitting there, not fully prepared, but half watching the market. On Wednesday afternoon as AMC took off. AMC, up and to the right. What did I do? I did nothing. I didn't buy, I just watched. I missed out. And I'll never have another opportunity like that again. If you feel the same way as I do about this, stick around today because I will tell you why that's not true. There will be other opportunities in the stock market and there will be other meme stock opportunities, probably in the near future. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about AMC. I'm going to talk to you about meme stocks and I will tell you what I think you can do to salvage this missing out opportunity, to calm your fear of missing out. If you're one of the people who did not miss out, please leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you were prepared and what you did with AMC this last week. Before we jump into the video, I'd like to thank you, my audience. Thank you for your support. If you're new here, what's up? I'm Jonathan. I make videos about the stock market, and I really hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. Let's go ahead and jump into this. Let's look at the history of AMC, the story, so to speak. AMC is the US's largest and also the world's largest movie theater. AMC has been growing organically and inorganically. That means gobbling up all the little theater chains out there and bringing them together under the umbrella of AMC. AMC maintains its lead, at least in size, over its rivals Cinemark and Regal? AMC is headquartered in Leawood, Kansas. Don't ask me what that is, except in Kansas. AMC has long had private equity backing from the likes of the Wanda Group out of China and Silver Lake Capital out of California. There's a lot more we can say about AMC, but we must say that their business model has been suffering. They've been declining since Netflix and other streaming services have been gaining market share and have been taking away power and popularity from traditional movie chains. Now let's look at meme stocks and how AMC is one of those meme stocks. Let's look at what meme stocks are and what that means. AMC is a meme stock. Meme stocks tend to have some of the following characteristics. They tend to be overpriced, they experience rapid share price increases and sometimes decreases, and extreme volatility, both realized and implied. Valuations are based on mindsets and less on valuation. Investors and traders tend to pile into this meme stock space because of two reasons. First, they think the stock will go to the moon, meaning GameStop will go to 1,000 or 2,000, or AMC will go to 500,000, as you may have heard recently on the internet. The second reason investors or traders may pile into meme stocks is FOMO. A lot of traders and investors are afraid that they missed out on the best opportunity. Like me, I missed out on Wednesday's explosion, parabolic move from AMC. I missed out. One place you can find meme stocks is Wall Street Bets. On this page you can find all sorts of information about people's beliefs, feelings, hopes, and dreams. You can find all sorts of things about meme stocks. On Wall Street Bets, legendary traders discuss their exploits and they show off their diamond hands where only true believers are lauded and praised. Some of the most well-known examples of meme stocks are GameStop, GME, AMC, KOSS, KOSS, and BlackBerry, BB. As we can see here, meme stocks have had a great run in 2021. All of them have been very positive. In January and again here in June, meme stocks have been parabolic. Some stocks that may become meme stocks in the future are BBW, Build Bear Workshop, and CLOV, Clover Health. These two stocks are small caps with relatively low floats, and in the case of Clover, are heavily shorted. So what does this all mean and what can you do about it? What are the implications of AMC trading in the 50 range? As we can see here on the 5-year chart, AMC reached its pre-meme stock status high in 2017, topping out at over $35 per share. The share price trended lower over the next few years as movie theaters lost popularity and Netflix, along with other streaming service providers, gained market share away from AMC and other movie theaters. AMC struggled during the pandemic of 2020-2021 as all of their theaters were closed and they were unable to generate any sales. No sales! AMC spent the majority of 2020 in the status of almost bankrupt because they had no sales. This was changed in January 2021 when all the meme stocks went up and to the right, AMC included, and on January 25th, AMC was able to sell almost $1 billion in stock. $1 billion in stock. To all these loving shareholders, aka Reddit investors. After January 2021, AMC was no longer on the verge of bankruptcy. No. They were rolling in cash. They were rolling in cash from the Reddit investors, from the Reddit fans. This has allowed them to continue operations, albeit very limited operations, because they're still not able, or they're just now being able to open up lots of movie theaters. They're just now starting to actually sell things again. Speaking of selling things, AMC had lots of stock sales. AMC had stock sales in January and again in June of 2021. Let's talk about those now. The first stock sale that saved the company in January 2021 was over $900 million in value. Waiting till June, we find that AMC also sold a lot more stock. And in two separate stock sales, one with a private equity firm and one with their shareholders, they were able to bring their total stock sales in the year of 2021 to over $2 billion. After knowing that AMC has gone parabolic and AMC has sold over $2 billion in new stock, what can we do with this information? Can we trade this? Can we invest in AMC? What does it all mean? My take is trading AMC is possible because of the extreme high volatility. Trading volatile assets or volatile underlines makes trading more fun, more expedient, meaning you get stopped out or you hit your profit target. Something to remember when trading AMC would be to use a reasonable position size. A reasonable position size for me is 0.5% of my portfolio value. This way, I'm not stressed out if AMC drops 100% in a day or goes up 100% in a day. It doesn't affect my emotional stability. If you want to trade AMC, choose up front how much you're willing to lose for your stop loss and how much you want to make for your profit target. That way, you just set up the trade and do it. You don't get emotionally involved in how it plays out. What you can do is sit back with your popcorn in one hand, soda in the other hand, and just watch the fun. I think AMC is tradable. I do not think it is a good investment vehicle. You don't have to take my word for it. You can just look at the latest share issuance from the company. They state, "We believe that the recent volatility and our current market prices reflect market and trading dynamics unrelated to our underlying businesses, or macro or industry fundamentals. We do not know how long these dynamics will last. Under those circumstances, we caution you against investing in our Class A common stock unless you are prepared to incur the risk of losing all or a substantial portion of your investment." AMC just told its new investors, if you buy this, you should be prepared to lose it all. That does not sound like a good investment to me. Another reason that's probably less important is that AMC hasn't had sales in a year. Yes, they're going to have sales soon again as movie theaters open up, but they haven't sold anything in a year. And they've been issuing $2 billion worth of stock just to stay alive. That doesn't sound healthy to me. I would recommend that if you want to gamble on these meme stocks, that's fine. Just make sure you use a very small percentage of your portfolio. Don't YOLO it all on AMC, especially at $50 per share. Use a very small percentage of your portfolio, maybe 0.5%, and be fine with the outcome. If it goes great in 10x or 100x, woohoo! If not, it happens. Don't allow FOMO to take over your life and cause you to buy AMC at $70 per share because it's going 500,000. Let's just be honest. Yes, that's possible. But it's very, very, very unlikely. Alternatives to playing meme stocks or playing AMC games. You can go to your nearest casino and play the roulette wheel or slot machines. You should never trade with money you're not willing to lose, and I am not a financial advisor, so don't take my advice. You should take your own advice, and you should make your own decisions. I hope you all liked the AMC video today. If you did, please do me a favor right now and leave a comment down below. Specifically, say AMC is not an investment, but a very fun trade. Thank you. Bye.